Aloha everyone, welcome to Secondary Science Methods, Chaminade University, Honolulu. My name is Katrina Rossler and I am the professor for this course. I'm looking forward to working with you. Wanted to give you just a quick overview of course navigation. This course is divided into modules. We're going to do some in-depth investigation on the instructional strategies of argument-driven inquiry, engineering design, and problem or project-based learning. The course activities are divided up into modules which are multiple weeks long because they cover the same topic or information in an in-depth way over multiple weeks. So when you open the modules for those weeks, you will see numerous assignments. Some of them are specific to the type of investigation that we're doing, and some of them are related to the pedagogical activities that will support your developing understanding of how to implement these types of practices into your own teaching. In addition, I wanted to make sure that you knew how to find the syllabus. The course syllabus is through Google Docs, and you can find it through multiple pathways. There's some pretty important information in the syllabus, so please take 20 to 30 minutes to review the information. Additionally, I wanted to talk to you about the resources that you'll need or the materials. There is no text required for this course. However, during weeks 7 through 9, we are going to be doing a water quality investigation, and in order to conduct that investigation, you're going to need some materials. You are only required to do one water quality test. You will be conducting that test multiple times in a pre-post investigation type strategy. However, you only need to conduct one. If you're interested in these types of investigations and would like to do them with your students in the future, I would recommend purchasing a high quality tool. Also, you may consider buying a multi-test kit like the ones here. You do not have to purchase them through Amazon. I just wanted you guys to see that what these materials look like and how inexpensive that they can be. But please make your choice relatively soon so that you can get those materials in time to do our investigation during weeks 7 through 9. Let's see. I don't think there's anything else. I look forward to working with you. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you online. Aloha.